Naming guardians for your children is a critical step that ensures the people you want and trust to raise your kids will be able to do so should something happen to you. There's another area of planning for children that sometimes gets overlooked though. Those are issues that deal with money and property. Who will manage an inheritance or keep your children's money safe from being lost or squandered should you pass away or become incapacitated? Estate planning for a married couple is easy in a lot of ways. You just leave everything to your spouse. Then the surviving parent will take care of the children. But what if something happens to both of you? In many cases, the answer is that the inheritance simply goes to the children. But leaving money directly to your kids isn't always an option. If the beneficiaries are minors or too immature to handle the inheritance themselves, they need someone else to manage that money. Often parents will ask the people named as guardians to also be in charge of the finances and assets for the benefit of their kids, but that isn't always the case. If you don't specifically name someone to manage the finances of your children, the local probate court will appoint someone instead. This property guardian has to report frequently and has limited authority. Worse, it could be someone who you would never even want to be involved so closely in your children's lives. If your children are over 18, it's important to understand that they will have complete control of the property and money that you leave them directly. If you feel the responsibility of receiving an inheritance outright could be too much for them, you could consider raising the age of financial responsibility with the help of an estate planning lawyer. Your attorney can help you utilize a living trust to put speed bumps and checks and balances around your children's inheritance. This ensures that they don't get a huge sum of money outright until they are mature enough to handle it. You can also use a trust to protect your children for their lifetime from losing money to creditors or splitting it if the kids later get a divorce. It may sound complicated, but this is all easy to do if you work with a qualified estate planning attorney. If you have questions, feel free to give us a call at 972-905-4394 to set up a consultation.